Welcome back, everyone, on this Try TV. Jason here with
Nicole.
Hey, so we went to Costco today and we saw this toilet seat, which was on sale, $10 off after the discount. It was 48 bucks. And it's the Kohler Layne antibacterial microbial seat, toilet seat. And we're going to do an unboxing here, and then we're going to install it and see if it actually, does the whole seat that won't slam kind of thing, and it doesn't move, obviously shift around. So let's get started and open it up. Got my handy dandy blade here. Pop! Come on. There we go. All right. Let's open it up, see what tools we're going to need inside. Oh, let's check out the back, by the way. Next level cleaning, antibacterial seat. Okay, easy instructions back here. Looks like there's a 6-step process in the back back of the box. I wonder what tools we're gonna need. Oh, okay, screwdriver. Oh, okay, well, let's open it up. Let's see what we got inside. So we're opening up the box. And, oh, that's it. Very simple. Okay. And let's check it out. So here is the lid with the instructions again on the back of it. It looks like we're just going to need a screwdriver. Some models might need some bumpers on them. Okay, so I guess this is going to require off of each, depending on the actual toilet that you have. We'll check which one we're going to be installing it at. And then, okay, so I guess the little bumpers are in this little blue part of it right here. So let's fully open this up. It's nice and sealed. Okay. So this looks like it should be very simple, but let's see what happens. Just to show you how it is, fresh out the box. Fresh, clean toilet seat. Let's see. Does it? Okay, that's all the way open. Oh, it closed. I don't know, man. That was supposed to be soft closed. So
You probably have to install the screws. Stop, Jason. The baby's asleep. It
says seat won't slam. Okay, well, let's see what happens.
All he has to do
Yeah,
with the
after
way the
installation.
screws are installed.
Okay, cool. So that's the seat. Let's see what's in the blue baggie. Got some washers. Got some screws. I'm not sure what these are. And I'm not sure what those are. I'm sure those goes with the toilet. Let me go grab a screwdriver, and then we're gonna have to inspect our toilet and see what we need to do to pop everything out. Be right back. Okay. All right, got my screwdriver here, multi-head. Oops, there we go. I'm gonna follow these steps off of the box. It's actually a lot more clear compared to the instruction it came with on the actual seat. So the first one here, nice and easy. Press the bumpers into place right underneath the toilet seat. So, and that's where these pieces right here that came out of the little blue bag. So we're gonna flip over the toilet seat, and right here, that's what they get inserted. So the rubber piece goes on the outside, and then it should just clip in. Okay, I guess that's it. Yeah. All right. Looks like it's in. Sweet. Next step, open up the hinges cover. Okay, so now we're gonna have to go to our toilet. Give us 1 second, and we'll see you at the toilet. Okay, so now we're at our toilet. I got my screwdriver with the Phillips head right in there, and the instructions follow says flip over the latches. So this is our toilet. We have a normal Gerber toilet, nothing fancy over here. But it looks like right here, if there's enough light, I hope everyone can see, there's some little latches right here on the back of the hinge. If you see where my finger is, these should just pop open. There you go, just like that, see? Now, I assume it's probably different on Oh, wonderful. Got the light on. I assume it's one different on different types of toilets and toilet seats, but this one needs to be nice and easy. So we open up the latch. Now the next step, it says to insert the bolts through the washer and then the hinges. So I guess that we have to take off ours first before we do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. So I finally got it out from our current toilet seat. It was this screw right here with this little, the nut that holds it in the back place of it. It might be different in yours, but this is how it looked like on ours.
Oh, so what you were unscrewing was actually underneath.
Right, I was unscrewing with the Phillips screwdriver.
So the nut is all the way underneath here.
In the bottom there.
All right,
It's kind of difficult to see.
All right.
But you have, okay, I'm going to unscrew the other one now.
Go ahead and get that.
All right, we got both screws and nuts out of the current seat. We're going to pop it out just like that. Nice and easy. Take off. Now I'm going to get the new one. All right, we got the new toilet seat here, ready to go. But before I place it, your old or your previous seat might have these little, I guess, adhesive parts on them, so it can, I guess, better attach to it. You need to pop them out, it looks like, before you install the new one. So after removing the little sticky pads from the previous seat, it looks like there's dirty, so I'm going to do a quick wipe down just to clean up real quickly. Nice and clean, fresh installation. All right, that's done. Next thing, I wanted to bring this up. So I was trying to, when I first got it, the seat was set like this, and it wouldn't obviously fit like flat straight down, especially when I put the screws and the nuts in, because it would be flopped open right here. So what I had to do, and you probably have to do, is you see how this is not level right now? You see how it's not level right now? You want to push it down with your thumbs on both ends. It might feel like it's a lot of pressure back there, but it will go down where it gets nice and flat. So it's going to be a lot easier to put in the screws through. See that? It's nice and flat now. Okay, so now we put it down nice and flat. Lift up the latch lids right there. Latch lids, align the holes. Do you see it?
I'm trying to get there. There we go.
Okay, align the holes. Now, following the instructions in the box here, it says right there, insert the bolts through the washer, through the hinges. So that's what I'm going to do now. Bolts and washers. Put them right through, just like they said. Next step. Push the nut into the bolt. So I guess just like in the picture, I'm going to take the nut and push it through in the back end. Here's one right here. It looks like it goes, the tip part goes upwards like that. So I'm going to push it through like that. Give me a second. This part you may not be able to see because it's underneath the toilet. So give me a second. Okay, so I got both nuts back there. Now I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten it up, and it should be good to go. So give me a second. All right, that's nice and tight. Next one. Okay, that feels nice and tight as well. Going off of the instructions now. Oh, I went ahead of it. It says hold the nut in the place and then tighten with the bolt to secure it. We did that. Now it says close the hinge with the covers. Okay, so let's go ahead and close the hinge covers. 1, 2. And now that's the end of the instructions. And that's the end of the instructions. So it should be installed now. So let's check it out and see if the won't slam or shift happens. And it's nice because look at it. It fit, at least with our toilet seat. Our toilet actually aligned pretty perfectly. So let's open it up. That's how it looks like installed. And now we're going to close it. Oh, look at that. No slam. Now I wonder if you put both of them up, if they both don't slam. That's just like the lid. So I'm going to put the lid and the actual toilet seat up, both of them together. And now let's put it down.
Oh,
get fancy. Look at that. That is some good stuff right there.
Yeah, that's what we wanted.
So this was the unboxing and installation of the...
Try wiggling it.
Oh, good call, good call. So it does have give, but that's because the spacing right here, that in the hinge point, if you want to see.
Mm-hmm.
So it does have give there, but I guess I assume that's because it needs it for the actual, I guess, soft close stuff right there.
Mm-hmm. But that's what's shifting. It's not the actual
it's not
toilet
the seat.
seat.
The seat's not shifting.
It's the lid.
Yeah, it's the
due to the way that it's hinged into the bottom part.
So I guess it's true. It's not moving side to side or shifting, as I said. But
well, I don't care about the lid. What I care about is the seat. I don't want to sit on the seat and then slide my butt halfway off the toilet.
Agreed.
Yeah, that's great. As long as the seat itself isn't moving.
Okay, let's see.
That's
maybe because I didn't tighten it all. Let's see.
Yeah, that's a little shifty. I mean, it's not sliding, because I've been on some where it was like you were holding on for dear life. You were sitting down very gingerly and then holding the walls to make sure you stayed on your throne. That's not too bad. I don't want to move at all.
Okay. Let's try it again. I did another tightness on the actual nuts back there and the bolts. So now, this is not moving. You see that?
Yeah.
It's the actual just spacing.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
If that doesn't annoy you, which hopefully it doesn't, I don't know, it might annoy some people, but it's just due to the spacing of the belt right there. You can see. But overall, I just enjoyed it that it doesn't slam.
It doesn't slam. We actually had an incident today where I was trying to put Zai down for a nap. And at that exact moment, I heard Jason in the bathroom. So I intentionally stayed on the main level. He was upstairs. I stayed on the main level in the dining room trying to wait for him to finish using the bathroom. And when he slammed the toilet down, it still woke the baby up. So, yeah.
Slam wasn't on purpose.
It was. I mean, he had no clue, but still. It was enough to wake up the baby, so that sucked.
Hey guys, so as I was just testing it out real quickly, I noticed that you actually have to open the actual hinge the entire way open, so that clearly it doesn't slam, just like it goes down. But I did notice, I lifted it just to test to see what happens if I just lift maybe an inch or two off of the actual bowl, and it does slam. Let me give you an example. So, okay, it's down. That was about, what, 1.5 inches, 2 inches?
Mm-hmm.
So...
Don't do it anymore. Baby's sleeping.
Okay, but yeah, you can see there, even right there, and that's, what, maybe 4 inches? So, okay, so like a good, till right there, and then, there you go. That's a good, maybe 7 inches open before it actually activates and does the slow close. Slow close.
I mean, practically speaking, you're never going to do that.
Without doubt.
To clean it or use it, you're going to lift it, right?
Yep.
But it's just an FYI since it's something that Jason tested and became aware of. So, because I was in the kitchen and I heard the toilet slam. I was like, what? What was that? Like, what? Did we break it already? So, just FYI, guys.
So this was the unboxing installation of the Kohler Layne Antimicrobial seat. You only needed the screwdriver, either Phillips or flathead, which was pretty simple to install. It didn't take that long. The feature of not slamming is what we wanted, and that's what we got.
Yeah.
The seat won't shift. It's kind of up in the air. I mean, it looks like it won't. It's just because of the spacing. So.
Yeah.
I don't know what 100% they mean by that. We got this at Costco. It was $10 off, a total of $48 at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
And I like it.
Yeah, so far so good. We'll see how it goes in the long term, but so far so good.
Yeah, but that was it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions, comments, concerns down below. And we'll see you on the next episode.